Let us have some general observations and related conclusions about CCAT. A hard fact is less than 1% of the candidates can answer all the 50 questions in 15 minutes time. If it is a 50 question, 40 minutes exam, everyone can answer more than 40 questions correctly. So the point is not about question difficulty level, but it is all about accuracy and time management, for which a good practice is required. Let's look at another important observation. If you are able to solve 25 to 30 questions in 15 minutes with a good accuracy, no worries, it will be an above average attempt. If you are able to solve 30-35 questions in 15 minutes with the same accuracy, it will be a good attempt. If you are able to solve 35 to 40 questions in 15 minutes by maintaining the same accuracy, it will be a great attempt. Related to this observation, here we have two conclusions. First one is, in all cases, 15 minutes with accuracy is common. You have to aim for it. It can be achieved only through a good practice. Next one is, no need to solve all 50 questions, but aim for as maximum as you can. In exams like CCAT, answering 40 questions correctly in 15 minutes will be a brilliant achievement. But it's not that easy. At the same time, not so difficult. All you need is a preparation strategy and good practice. So the conclusion is no alternative for practice and no shortcut for practice.